so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
Only a 5-minute wait if you get here pretty much straight away or anything silly.
No.
Then when we got a little bit further here, then we were
so scared.
I'm a bit scared now actually, not done it for 3 years, so
oh my gosh.
I'm a bit nervous. Can't be any worse than Crush yesterday.
Definitely not. Done Thunder Mountain, and I am gonna go again because it was really, really good. It was a lot of
It was amazing. I'm gonna do it for the second time.
It was really scary though.
Second time during extra magic hours. Instead of 5-minute wave, I think it's probably gonna be more like 20, but
yeah, we'll go.
Really cool. It's worth doing anyway, isn't it? So
it's really scary though.
I remember from 3 years ago, so well, I have done it quite a few times before, but it was definitely more intense than I remember.
Just come to Cafe de la Bruce and we have just got a pineapple dole whip with the gorgeous 30 Disneyland on the front. You can only get these from Cafe de la Bruce, which you know, you will probably want to come here for this. It's basically like a sorbet ice cream kind of thing, but it tastes really, really nice. We didn't have to wait really in a queue. It was really easy to get in, and it's €5 for one of these, but it is like a big, you know, like a big kind of cup, so you know it's kind of worth €5. So another thing I like to say is that basically there's like a sign saying there's some seating. No, Hakuna Matata. It says Cafe de la Bruce, and it points an arrow like that way. But actually what you need to be doing is you need to be coming Monet Agua Bar and then turning round to the right as you're going down, turn to the right, and then you'll see there's like a stairs, and then it comes down to Cafe de la Bruce, and then there is actually the cafe, and there's outdoor seating as well, so you can come and sit outside and, you know, get whatever you fancy. They've got like some 30 treats, you know, for the 30th anniversary, but they've also got like blue biscuits and like adventure, you know, movies, all of that kind of cool stuff. But they've got some good 30th anniversary stuff like these. But these are all year round, but you know, they're amazing.
30 years of magic chocolate on the top is melted and broken off,
okay.
but it looks really cool.
This is really hard.
So these are the Mickey waffles. Is there not a knife as well?
No, it's just two
Oh,
forks.
okay. You might just have to kind of like
I'm gonna have to cut it with this.
use 2 forks and just shovel it. Trying them for the first time. Mickey waffles. They're really good. So we're actually sat at Café de la Brousse. That's what where we got the pineapple dole whip from. But we got these from the Cool Outpost, which is further around the corner, because we wanted 2 separate things, didn't we? So, what do you reckon?
So good.
So the pineapple dole whip from Café de la Brousse was €5, and it's absolutely massive. Definitely could share them. And then these ones were €5 as well. But Emily's definitely into a waffle, so that's a lovely snack, isn't it?
Really good.
Brilliant.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody.
Fla Magic show before, as that only had a short wait name. Yeah, the Fla Magic show's in Discoveryland, and that will because it closes at 5, so we only had about 10 or 15 minutes. And we're now on Casey Junior. It's so fun! When you go backwards, it's definitely worth it.
It's so cool!
It is a kiddies ride after all.
It is so much fun!
Ragazzi, si deve lanciare per quel popolo che si critica sta cosa
now. Just finishing off the day. We watched the parade in the Disneyland Park. From just a really quick stop, stood and watched it at the very, very last minute because we've watched it lots and lots of times before. So we did that, and then we had a quick snack, one of the mini shortbreads, which was really nice. Walked over to the studios to get here for 7, and me and Emily managed to do Slinky, the Cars ride, the Cars one that spins around the ballet one, and we went on a single ride on Ratatouille, and then we did it again with Emily's dad. He did Tower of Terror, and I think they're trying to get onto a single rider on parachute drop, so hopefully they're going to get on that. And then the park's closing, so it's 8 o'clock, so hopefully they get on there. I'm not sure if they're going to do, but we'll see how they get on. Really lucky, managed to get into the queue for the single rider, for the parachute drop just over there, just dropping behind me there. So the park has officially closed, but because they got in the line, I think they're literally going to be on the next one, and then that's it. Obviously the park closes at 8 o'clock, but quite clearly if you get in the line about 5 to 10, you'll probably be able to get on. So yeah, we've had a really, really good evening, and I think very few rides are still running now. I think it's literally the last few people. Going to make our way over to the Disneyland Park after this, so well worth coming after. So whatever time the park closes, if you come for the last hour probably. We've done lots of rides really, because if you think me and Emily have done 3 rides on our own, we're all together as a family. Husband did one, then they're going on the parachute drop together. So yeah, it's been well worth coming for an hour. It's not much of a walk between the parks, so definitely a good choice really. Some of these lines, especially Ratatouille actually, one thing to bear in mind is that the Ratatouille ride, a single rider, can only be 5 minutes sometimes, or sometimes just literally a walk on. So it's definitely worth going on that whenever you can do. If you've not got really young children, with Emily being the age she is, it's quite good really. She can just go on one car, I go on another, and still experience the same ride. So definitely well worth it. Yeah, so glad that we've done all we've done tonight. Emily's little nervous face. Single rider with other people. But she has done it quite a few times before, so she's not that scared. But she's looking at it a little bit now, and her dad's at the other side, so she's fine.
Parachute drop, and when you're sat on the seats ready to go, it's so scary, but it's actually really, really fun, and I absolutely loved it. But
I'll tell you what, it's not half as scary as that thing behind, which is Tower of Terror. Now I haven't done it this time, my husband has obviously, your dad, he's done it, hasn't he? He's done it a few times, and he said it's more brutal than it ever was before. And previously I went on it, I screamed the whole time that I was on it. But at least I can say I've done it.
I've never done it, I've never done it.
The lift literally goes up and it goes down and it goes up and it goes down, it just goes all over.
It's like...
Yeah, absolutely. But it's an amazing storyline. Tower of Terror is brilliant, and again, he managed to get on that. I think initially his first wait was about 15-20 minutes. He got off, and then he was back on again within 5 minutes. So again, coming at the last hour of part time is really, really good. Because I've already said what we've been going on while you were on parachute drop. So
yeah, it was
an amazing
parachute drop was really scary, but it was really, really good as well.
I don't like that ride, that's why I don't go on it.
I got within 15 minutes.
Yeah.
It's quite good.
Thunder Mountain for me was definitely the highlight today.
I really enjoyed
That was
Thunder Mountain.
amazing.
That was
Obviously,
amazing.
seeing 30th anniversary show, seeing characters, meeting Mickey was absolutely amazing. Meeting him in his house and
other rides as well.
Yeah,
But that was amazing.
Thunder Mountain was brilliant as a ride.
Yeah.
But meeting Mickey was definitely my highlight. Definitely. But we're going to go across to the Disneyland Park now. So see what rides we can get on. Maybe grab a little bit of food. We did have a restaurant booking, but we decided to not go. We decided to cancel it.
Yeah, this one.
Because there's just far too much to try and fit in. And
then you don't like get to do characters sometimes.
No.
We kind of saved a few things for today, and we were just like, do you know
we're
what?
running out of time, really.
Let's just get a quick easy.
Yeah. So we just like today we got Hakuna Matata at lunchtime, just counter service, and we're just going to grab a snack a bit later on and do some more rides in Disneyland Park because the parks are just incredibly busy. Nothing like really 3 years ago. So for certain,
they're very busy.
You've got to try and fit as much in as you can while you're here.
They're bringing like signs out saying parks are full.
And lots of restaurants we've done before, so we just wanted to have lots of fun, didn't we?
Yeah.
So, and at least someone else can take that booking now and someone else can enjoy themselves.
Yeah,
so,
they can be happy.
Perfect. Right, we're going across the Disneyland Park. Where they say, don't bang into the car in front when you're going down a bit of a drop before the end. And someone decides to push the accelerator down on it rather than lift it up to stop it.
I thought that was the right way.
That's not very good, is it?
We bumped straight into the
Oh, that was cool though, it was really good.
Just come off Autopia after that fun experience, and we're now just coming on to Startoad. It was only a 5-minute wait, and it's
20 past 9.
So it's perfect.
Yeah.
We're gonna head on straight away.
Do the CPPO look.
Yeah, we've got some cool things. How cool are these? You get to see like all the characters from. You can't film in here because you do need like 3D glasses.
3D glasses, yeah.
But we'll see when we're finished. We're gonna go on the teacup. Startoad was amazing, so good. We're now gonna head on the teacup.
And it was only 5 minutes really.
Yeah, it's only 5.
Yeah, and what time is it now? It is 10 to 10.
So this will be closing at 10.
Yeah, Fantasyland closed at 10. Let's have a little look around. See there's Dumbo going. Over there. Carousel.
Thank you. You have a pleasant stay.
Wow.
We're gonna go so fast! I'm gonna do so good. I guess she's this fast.
Not too fast.
It's so much fun.
Get some really good views of Fantasyland, don't you?
So fast.
Minutes still on Peter Pan. And it's what time?
5 to 10.
5 to 10. Okay. So it's really till the end, isn't it?
Yeah, literally.
Wow. So it must be, it's obviously this time, well it always is, but it's been like that quite clearly from the word go in the morning, hasn't it?
It always is so
Gonna try and do pirates.
Lights flicker though the air is deathly still. C'est que le fantôme des lieux se manifeste. Welcome, curious friends. It is so nice to have guests. Nous sommes ravis de vous accueillir, humbles mortels. Et visitons ensemble ce fameux manoir.
Our tour begins here, in this gallery, where you gaze upon the sweet innocence of youth.
Kindly step all the way in and make room for...